Okay, welcome back. I'm Son Kwon. Okay, welcome back. Alright, season 1, episode 4. Alright? Okay, today the main theme is examples of 은는이가, but especially particles. Particle number 2. 은 particle. Okay, let's go. Wow, a man is playing the guitar up the hill, right? But looking at the background, no guests around him. Okay, so doesn't it look like he's making a song, hoping to be a singer in the future? Maybe, but you know, being an artist is very tough. Okay, I guess. I guess he's supporting himself, doing part-time job, okay, to support himself. But he can't give up his dream. All right. So if I ask him, like, hey buddy, so what's your dream? Then, without hesitating, he will answer to me like. Yeah, I want to sing on the stage. That's my dream. Alright? So music is my life. Without music, I can't even live. Something like that. Okay? So, now, shall we make a sentence in Korean using particle? Right? Music. Music is 음악. Okay? And up finishes consonant, 기억. You see that, okay? 기억. So, what type of particle can you think of? Yeah, 은 or 이. Okay? But although various part-time jobs he has been through, right, to support himself, but it's not satisfactory. Why? Being a singer, right, is his dream, right, as a job. Okay? Alright? So he experienced many jobs, right? But it isn't, right, to him. So he might answer in Korean if he can speak Korean. Okay? Something like 음악은 제 삶이에요. 음악은 제 삶이에요. 음악은 제 삶이에요. Music is my life. Music is my life. 음악은 제 삶이에요. Okay? Right, move on. Next example. Oh, a lady got a present. Okay? Right, she looks happy. Alright, oh, hey guys, how do you feel when you get, when you're given a gift? Are you sad? No, you're happy, right? Well, I want to ask you something. Do you ever feel upset after getting a present or on your birthday or a special occasion? In your experience? No, I think once in a blue moon, right? Okay, so a present makes you happy all the time. Alright, so how can you say? 선물 in Korean, present or a gift in Korean, 선물, right? 선물 finishes consonant real. Okay, that's why the particle 은 or 이. Okay, but it's about your experience, right? So the particle 은 should be attached to 선물. Alright? So 선물은 기분 좋아요. 선물은 기분 좋아요. Alright? 선물은 기분 좋아요. Okay? Alright. Next image. Okay, this tower, right? The Paris is all travelers wannabe. Okay, the Eiffel Tower is so beautiful, so that some people have been to Paris and they suggest me to visit there, right? So I want to go there before I die someday. Okay, at the moment you are seated in a plane or train and they are about to take off. Who would be excited? Right? Yeah, anybody excited, okay, about travel. Yeah, so traveling, 여행. As you see, finishes consonant ing. Okay, so then 여행은 신나요. 여행은 신나요. 여행은 신나요. Okay, once again, 여행은 신나요. Alright? Okay, alright. Today's last example. Wow, he is buffy. Wow, look at his muscle. Wow, I'm jealous. Okay, oh, the dumbbell looks heavy. Okay, so you want to have a waffle on your belly, six pack, then you should exercise. Okay, but it's not easy if you do call up at the gym. Okay, so in the end, not many people, right, succeeded. Okay, from your experience. So, exercise is 운동. 운동 finishes consonant ing. Okay, then 운동은 힘들어요. 운동은 힘들어요. 힘들어요 means strenuous, right? 운동은 힘들어요. But you have to, right? You have to exercise for your health. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna compare this sentence. 운동이 힘들어요. 운동이 힘들어요. Okay? So we Korean can say both ways, and they are natural. No problem. No problem. Okay? But I said in a while ago, the particle E is specified to common issue. Okay? So let me tell you this. There is a large facility for national athletes in Taeneung, Seoul, Korea. Okay? So where selected athletes from across the nation, and then they are chosen from competition. Okay? And they train for Olympic game or Asian game in that place. Okay, so when I interview with an athlete joined to that complex for first time, like oh hey, how's the training here? Then he would probably answer like, yeah, well, training here is way too harder than before. Yeah, all of the athletes here are cut off for gold medal. National sports festival only held in Korea. But I mean, they are top, but not in the whole world, right? So that's why the way of training here is like special forces. Okay, you can even imagine. And their goal is to get a gold medal in Olympic and I hope to get as well. Okay? But that is not only for my own purpose, but also for my country. So, 운동이 힘들어요. But I can overcome. Okay? So, do you understand the difference? Right? 운동이 힘들어요. 여기서 운동이 힘들어요. Okay? Getting a gold medal is all athletes' common issue. Okay? That's why you can say 운동이 힘들어요. Right. Okay. I tried to give you examples as much as I could for your understanding. As for 은, okay. Hopefully, I want you to grasp. About the usage of 은 particle. Okay, so it's time to say bye, and thanks for watching this video. Okay, alright, I love you. 여러분 사랑해요. Subscribe my channel, please, if you like it. Okay, bye.